Turn a boring house into a winter garden. Make a frame out of plastic spoons, or a rabbit out of Q-tips. Home decor shouldn't necessarily be difficult or expensive. Watch our new video on how to decorate your home with the help of simple things. It's raining outside, but your heart wants some festivities. Then turn an old umbrella into a flower bouquet. Put artificial flowers into a closed cane umbrella. Tie it up with a wide ribbon and hang it on the stairs. My friend is looking for an umbrella, but she finds an entire flower arrangement instead of it. These beautiful flowers act as a stress reliever, and her mood is no longer rainy. Moreover, you can decorate your porch or balcony with this umbrella. It will add a touch of spring to a gray winter day. I've got a new pet. It's a white rabbit that brings me only good news. We will need 2 foam plastic balls of different sizes. Cut Q-tips in half. Hot glue the balls together and stick the Q-tips into the foam plastic. Leave an area free of the Q-tips on the bottom where the belly is so that the rabbit is able to stay. Add long ears made out of a foam rubber sheet or felt. You can stick postcards and notes with good wishes between the Q-tips. This cute rabbit decorates your home and reminds you that everything will be okay. Good job! Oh, fluffy cutie! A sparkly clothespin made me think of an idea. Why not make a whole frame out of colorful clothespins? Trace a round plate on thick cardboard. Cut it out. Make a smaller circle inside. Cut it out with a knife. Attach wooden clothespins along the cardboard circle close to each other. We've got a sun made out of wooden details. Cut colored paper strips to fit the width of the clothespins. Cover the pins with paper glue and attach the color strips one after another. Interchange different colors. Sprinkle the remaining pins with glitter. Put a picture with a motivating motto inside. With this awesome frame, you definitely won't forget the motto written inside. Where should I hang my motivating picture? Right here! A bright frame will tone down all the shades of gray nicely. This shelf definitely needs some life. What should I put on it? A half-melted snowman? An old cup of a forgotten championship? An albino squirrel named Zoe? A stuffed Harry Potter's owl? Or a mask of Casanova from the next door apartment? My collection is complete. Oh my god, what awful stuff! It looks like a Halloween horror shop window. I'm even afraid to touch this before Ice Age squirrel. Get out of here! Scat! I will decorate the shelf with a bright and nice frame instead of this trash. Split bamboo sticks into 2 parts. Spray paint one part in blue and the other in yellow. When the paint is dry, lay out yellow sticks into an irregular polygon. Hot glue the joints. Put a layer of blue sticks in a similar way on top. Alternating the colors, assemble the construction. Put a cool photo or a picture into the frame. Attach it between the sticks. At first, my friend isn't satisfied with what I've done. Where's my squirrel Zoe? But later we finally come to an agreement that a parrot in the bamboo frame looks way better. I wonder why there is an empty jar hanging on the wall, and how is it holding? Real miracles happen in this kitchen. Take thick cardboard. Hot glue 2 layers to make a square. Cut off the excess. Wrap the cardboard with a foam rubber sheet. Paint the edges black. Mark the jar top on the square and make 2 holes with an awl. Apply paper glue along the rim of the jar and sprinkle with some glitter. Spray it with hairspray to fasten. Tie a colorful ribbon around the neck of the jar. And pass the ends through the holes in the cardboard. Tie the jar to the cardboard and make a knot on the back side. All that is left to do is to attach the decoration to the wall. Suddenly, my friend comes and puts flowers into the jar. Oh, now that makes sense. It's a wall vase. It's for decorating the wall and turning the kitchen into a window garden. Splendid! While my friend is taking photos of her flower arrangement to post on Instagram, I will prepare flower decor too. I've got a soft flower pot. Cut a piece of used color fabric into more or less identical strips about 3 inches wide. Fold a part of strips into some layers to form packs and roll the rest of the strips. Take a plastic flower pot and hot glue a roll to the side of the pot. And attach the strip packs around it. Keep on decorating the pot, interchanging rolls and packs. I show my designed pot to my friend. No, it's not a hat. It's a home for my plants. My friend likes it. It looks like her Instagram page will soon turn into a flower exhibition. It may be any time of the year outside, but it is always spring in my room because butterflies have settled down here. Make 2 through holes in a glue bottle using an awl. Watch your fingers. Pull thick knitting yarn through the holes. It will be covered in glue when it comes out. Blow up a balloon and wrap the sticky knitting yarn randomly around it. Keep on wrapping until you're satisfied with the result. Cover a thick brush with some paper glue and apply it additionally onto the layer of yarn. Let it dry. Cut out printed butterfly silhouettes of different sizes, big and small. Make butterflies of different colors. When the glue is dry, prick the balloon and take it out. Hot glue the butterflies with wings folded upwards to the cocoon you've got. Tie a ribbon for fastening. These butterflies will look amazing on my ceiling lamp, only if I can reach it. I wish these paper butterflies could fly and sit on the lamp themselves. Meanwhile, I'll have to take a chair. Now the butterflies are holding up like they should. There is so much free space on the shelf. I should put something on it right now. I've got an idea. I happen to have an appropriate frame, bright and textured, and moreover, its shape is unusual. Prepare a few popsicle sticks or coffee stirrers. Measure the length that is a little bit shorter than that of the stick. Mark and draw an octagon, the side of which is equal to what we have measured. Lay out the sticks on the side of an octagon and hot glue them to each other. Hot glue several stick layers on top. We've got a 3D construction. Cover it with spray paint. The frame fits perfectly into the shelf, but I feel like something is missing. I need to put something inside. We'll let baby Groot live in it. Plastic spoons are good not only for a meal, they are also a great match for a mirror. I can make an excellent frame out of them. Draw a big circle on cardboard. Trace a round mirror inside of it. Cut out the outside circle. Draw a dashed line across the inner edge of the small circle. Cut out along the dashes. Paint the inside edge blue. Paint the rim of the frame in the same way. Cut off handles from plastic spoons. Cover the spoons with blue spray paint. Make a couple of shades, lighter and darker. Hot glue the spoons to the frame. Start with the inner circle. Firstly, attach the darker details. Attach the spoons to each other tightly. Then attach the lighter details. And the lightest shade goes along the edge. We've got a creative flower frame with an ombre effect. Hot glue the frame to the mirror. It looks as if the blue bird of happiness has brought this mirror. It's no wonder that I look so happy. I'm going to hang it on the wall and look at it each time before I go out to attract good luck. Did you like the ideas? Write in your comments which simple ideas you will use to decorate your house. Will you make a cotton rabbit, or will you start breeding paper butterflies? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss anything interesting on the Troom channel.